Your next car could be the 2024 Honda Passport. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power liftgate, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.